In this video, we're gonna go over the steps to install and set up the LiftMaster MyQ Smart Garage Camera. Now this camera is a great addition to any garage because it allows you to check if your garage door is open or closed from essentially anywhere. It features two-way audio and motion detection, so you'll know the things in your garage are secure. Now this camera is part of the MyQ line of products from LiftMaster, which the MyQ app brings things like your garage door opener, which is MyQ enabled, smart locks, pet portals, cameras, keypads into one app. Now the MyQ app is optimized to work with other home security systems. Now some of the other great features are there's a magnetic base which allows for easy installation. We have a 140-degree viewing area, and this camera also does well in low light. And another great feature is it's easy to set up, so let's get into it. First, we have a few housekeeping items to do on our smartphone. We need to enable the Bluetooth and location services on the phone. Then we need to make sure we have a strong Wi-Fi signal where we'd like to install our camera, and you need to know the name and password of your Wi-Fi network. Once we've done that, we can download the MyQ app, or if you already have the MyQ app, make sure you have the latest version. Then sign into your app or create a new username and password and sign in that way. Accept your smart device's Bluetooth request. This next step, we're gonna pair our camera with our smartphone. On the bottom right, you'll see a blue circle plus sign to add a device. Select Smart Garage Camera. Check the 4 boxes for camera, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi password, and Bluetooth. Plug in the camera and let it power up until the light on the face flashes blue, then click Next. Select the camera on the discovering screen. Accept your smart device's Bluetooth request. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password for your Wi-Fi. Create a name for your camera. Select the location your camera will be. Once we see an image on our smartphone from the camera, we can go ahead and unplug the camera because we're gonna move on to the next step of installing. To mount the camera, LiftMaster has given us a couple options. We can either utilize the magnetic base or remove the base and mount to another surface. For this method, we'll utilize the magnetic base, and we recommend mounting it to the underside of an overhead garage door because that will put us close to an outlet and it'll give us a nice picture of the garage door. If you're mounting this to a non-magnetic surface, all you simply do is there's a tab on the back of the camera here. We're gonna push it in, the base will separate from the rest of the camera. As you can see on the base, there's 2 screw holes. We'll take this base, set it against what we would like to, insert our screws, and then click the camera back into place. I have the live feed back on my phone. I can utilize the camera's great range of motion to adjust exactly the image I want of my garage door. Now we have the benefit of being able to check on our garage's security from anywhere using our smartphone. Thanks for watching, and please hit subscribe for more educational content on improving and securing your garage door.